A civil society activist said the 6 jailed Rumbek teachers in Lake State were released on bail after spending nearly 2 months in detention. The 6, including Alfred Ader Ariao, Emmanuel Mapuer, Samuel Ader Ahu, Reuben Majak Neal, Abraham McCoy, and John Merrill Chol, were part of a dozen primary and secondary teachers who protested non-payment of salary in June. Activist Daniel Lott, the coordinator of the Community Empowerment for Progress organization, CEPO, says the educators were released on Wednesday after paying SSP 5,000 each. The teachers were released on bail on Wednesday by the Attorney General, and the court fixed the date of 17 next week to start the trial, he said. Lott also revealed that the prosecutor released one of the teachers after he was found not guilty. Rumbek General Prosecutor Michael Wade had charged the 6 teachers with participating in gathering with intent to promote public violence and breaches of peace or bigotry. They were initially detained at a military cell before being transferred to Rumbek Main Prison last month. The suspects are expected to be arraigned in court next week on